In this video, I'll show you how to create a link for your photos in the Google Drive. So the first thing we're going to do is just head over to the Google Drive and make sure you have the photos uploaded that you want to create a link for. Once you've got your photo or photos uploaded, then what we're going to do is just click on the three vertical dots next to your photo, come down to Share, and then select the Share button. Underneath General Access, you want to change this to anyone with the link. And then we're going to select Copy Link at the bottom of the screen and then click Done. Now what you can do is send this link to the person that you want to be able to access this photo. So for example, if I now paste this link in my address bar, you can see it will take me over directly to this photo and I'll be able to download it from my computer. Now if you want to give someone access to multiple photos using the same link, then what you need to do is create a new folder and then you'll need to drag all of the photos that you want sending into this folder. Click on the Move button and then what we can do is give someone access to this folder, meaning all of the photos. So to do that, click on these three vertical dots, click on Share, click on the Share button, and once again, make sure General Access is set to anyone with the link, and then press Copy Link and hit Done. Now, just like before, we can send this link to whoever we want, and we can paste the link in the URL bar. And now, whoever we send this link to will be able to access all of our photos in this particular folder. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.